Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about why I dislike hulkbr. So for the people who don't know who hulkbr is, he's basically a YouTuber who's known for creating extremely inappropriate thumbnails. So hulkbr basically has been a star for a while, and he's still in a star program because for the people who dislike him, they're like, I want hulkbr to be out of the star program. And yeah, I wish he was, but it's almost like Roblox doesn't care. Literally, they're like, blah, blah, blah. We'll just ignore hulkbr and we'll let him stay in the star code, almost like they don't care. But hulkbr is just known for his extremely garbage, trash, and his inappropriate thumbnails. He's been uploading like nudity thumbnails, and I'm like, bruh, you need to change because hulkbr is just the bad YouTuber ever. And hulkbr is just the worst person ever. And hulkbr even and also stole other people's things too of their job of YouTube. But then you would be excited because YouTube ended up taking notice, and then they demonetized his channel. And hulkbr is the bad person ever. And in my opinion, hulkbr should not even been on YouTube in the first place if he was creating these nudity thumbnails and stuff. But hulkbr is just the bad person. Literally, almost when he creates these these inappropriate thumbnails, he literally thinks that it's funny, but it's not, because it's inappropriate, and he will know how bad they are if you see them. But I'm not going to show you the thumbnails because they're just going to be too inappropriate for you and me. So hulkbr also too, I was happy that his channel was demonetized, and I hope that this guy will just stay off the internet forever, meaning that when he stays off the internet, he will not upload those inappropriate thumbnails anymore. And it was happy too that hulkbr even quit Roblox. He stopped playing Roblox, and he still has premium on his account. I don't know how when someone quits Roblox, basically, they still have premium and didn't redeem the Robux, basically. But yeah. And if I even saw hulkbr, if he was in my game, basically I'll be like, you're not allowed here. I would be like, you're not allowed here, hulkbr, because you've been creating inappropriate thumbnails, and also you're on my bad list, hulkbr, because I even created a good and bad list, so people who upload inappropriate thumbnails and stuff, they're on my bad list, like Lisa Gaming, basically, because she's just inappropriate. And Lisa Gaming also just thinks that she's awesome, but Lisa Gaming's just a bad YouTuber. And also too, almost a bunch of people are forgiving Lisa, but I still don't forgive Lisa. And also to her apology video and her reacting to TikTok about her, she still has more dislikes than likes, because if she had more likes, I'll be like, really? Because and I hope hulkbr too, and I hope that if he gets back on Roblox, I hope that Roblox would take notice for what he's did, basically, and demonetize his account, so when your account is terminated, it means like you cannot access it, and Roblox would even delete everything off of your account. And I bet that I hope to, if I logged into hulkbr's account, even though I don't know his password, basically, even though I don't know his password, I would be wahoo, and then I would like dress him up as like poop because he's like garbage. And hulkbr, I could show you a picture of what he looks like, but but when I go to the images, I would have to do some editing because the inappropriate thumbnails will be there, and I just don't want to see the thumbnails because the thumbnails are just inappropriate. So I'll show you what he looks like. So hulkbr. So this is hulkbr right there. He's right there, known for his inappropriate thumbnails, and he's just creating yucky thumbnails, and he thinks that it's funny. And this like video right here, I say this one that has a thumbs down, meaning that they dislike hulkbr. And like when hulkbr creates these inappropriate thumbnails, I say he laughs at it like he thinks it's funny, but it's not. And people still dislike him for what he's did. But thankfully, I bet hulkbr will just stay off the internet and won't come back on Roblox again. And if you enjoy my video of hulkbr being banned from YouTube, I know it wasn't today because that was like a long ago, but like when he got banned off of YouTube, I bet people are like, we're gonna party, because I know hulkbr is even banned from YouTube. And he even has another channel, like basically, like he only has three videos, and when we go to YouTube, this is YouTube right there, and that's my channel right there, which I have videos. Like, I don't know why they're showing these, like, crime videos, but whatever. hulkbr right there. He looks ugly because he's known for his inappropriate thumbnails, but thankfully this person right here blurred this out because he like needs to just be done with it. And I don't know if hulkbr was creating these thumbnails in the first place, but if someone else was creating them, but I think it was hulkbr who was creating these thumbnails, but if he's creating them, he like needs to just stop, basically. But thankfully, they blurred it out, because if they didn't, I would have to blur it out, because hulkbr is just a worse YouTuber. And let me know in the section below if you're happy that hulkbr is off of Roblox and everything, and I bet that he won't upload anymore again. And I think maybe I know I wasn't there with him, but when his YouTube channel got demonetized, I think he might have been crying about it, and I bet people were like, oh, that's what you get. And in my opinion, hulkbr also deserved it for what he did. And I wished also too that Lisa Gaming's channel would get demonetized, and if it's demonetized, she would be prohibited from creating another one. And I bet that everyone would be happy, and I bet her friends will be sad like a crybaby saying, well, Lisa Gaming got banned from YouTube. And if I edited a video of her friends, I would put in the words for like the text saying that, that's what you get, crybabies. And then I would have a smiley face emoji right there saying that, because hulkbr also quit at YouTube. And I bet that he like is just bad. And I hope that his channel that only had 3 videos, YouTube would take notice of it and then demonetize the channel, meaning that he is prohibited from creating or accessing his other accounts to recreate his channel again. And thankfully, this is very cool that hulkbr is not on YouTube no more, because he is just bad. And also too, I hope that you subscribe to my channel and also give my video a like if hulkbr deserved to be banned from YouTube. So for me, he deserved, in my opinion, he even deserved it, because for those like nudity, almost like sexual thumbnails, he just deserved it. And he's like, almost like hulkbr is like acting like a little kid, basically, because he has a beard, which I know, but like he shaved it, I say, to make him so he can look like a kid, but he's not. And even Roblox is a kid's game, basically. And also too, hulkbr too. Like hulkbr's group, I say he might have a lot of hate messages on his group, but yeah. And I hope that his group that I think he made, I think he did not make a group, but I hope that his group would get content deleted on Roblox. And usually when I don't know why, usually, sometimes when your group gets like banned, or I could say deleted on Roblox, it will like have like numbers at the end. For example, content deleted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And like, I'm like confused about it, because yeah. And also too, I hope that this video was amazing, and be sure you can give my video a like, and you can subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my videos. And one more thing that I have to say is I might do a Roblox YouTuber ranking video that who I'll rank YouTubers from bad to worse. Like Real Matt is just the worst YouTuber ever, because like he's been like making up lies about YouTubers who are dying, saying Flamingo's dying, but he's not. And he also said that it's funny forgot that she was recording, but she did not even forget. And there was also a video too saying what YouTubers went to jail, and that was like a lie, because it was saying it's funny Flamingo and I'm Santa, and I think it said and more, but that was a fib, because it's funny and Flamingo didn't even do nothing bad. So I hope that Flamingo didn't, and I hope that Flamingo, it's funny and I'm Santa, I hope they didn't see the video. And it's also said in another game too, like in like a Discord, I think, it said that like it's funny, I think, was saying shut up, and I think that wasn't it's funny really. And I say when I think she said shut up to Real Matt, I was like, that was funny, because Real Matt is like the most hated YouTuber in the world. Because just real quick, I'll show you his channel, and like his videos are just clickbait, basically. Like he's just like doing that for attention. So this is like Real Matt right there. His channel looks ugly, and I would like added the profile, and it says it's funny, forgot she was recording, and there's like red eyes, but that's just an edit. And I was like, bruh, that was dumb. And it says YouTubers that was sent to jail, but that is a lie. And this is video of Real Matt, and I hate commercials, and commercials suck. Skip. And it says, what? I don't care that you're blah. I don't know what that says. and that's Inquisitor Master right there. She's my favorite YouTuber, and it's